Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this Adobe Premiere tutorial, I'm going to cover how to automatically track an object, in this case a moving face, and then blur it out. To kick things off, head over to the Effects panel. Search for Gaussian Blur and drag it onto your clip on the timeline. Select your clip and go to Effect Controls. Make sure your time marker is positioned where you want it to start masking. Now, scroll down to the Gaussian Blur Effect properties. Underneath it, click on one of these masking shapes. We are masking a face, so a circular mask will be ideal here. Over in the preview window, position the mask over your subject and resize it to suit using the handles. Once your mask snugly fits your subject, go back to the Effect Controls panel and click the play button next to Mask Path. This will automatically track your subject and animate the mask accordingly. Keep in mind that the automatic motion tracking will function the same way for any effects that allow it. Now that your mask is following the subject, let's increase the blur amount to add the desired effect. Now this looks good. However, if you need to make manual adjustments, simply stop the video where needed and move the mask around a little bit to suit. It will automatically update or create a keyframe. You'll notice the edges of your mask are a little sharp. Let's add a finishing touch and soften them up. Go to your Effect Controls and under Gaussian Blur properties, increase your mask's feather value to between 30 or 50. This will blend the edges of your mask with the subject below it for a more professional look. And one last handy tip. If you deselect the mask at any point and you want to reselect it to make further adjustments, simply go to your Effect Controls and select Mask 1 under your chosen effect, like this. Now the mask's handles will reappear in the playback window. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.